Hi and welcome back to today's Morning Report Chart Proposals on Monday the 5th of October with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Handset Markets. Moving on to cable now, and we've had this sort of turnaround in the sentiment on cable. We had 9 solid days in a row of weakness. Then you had the doji candle on Thursday. Then you had the strong candle on Friday. Had a continuation of that strong move on Friday, but the services sector PMI data from the UK has disappointed, and quite significantly as well. To come in at 53.3, down from 56. Down from the expectation of 56, and it certainly isn't a positive move at all for cable. But you do have this technical improvement on cable. You've got the stochastics, which have given a buy signal, as yet unconfirmed. That confirmation would happen on a move above the 20 line. You've had the RSI turning up. The other factor I would say is that you do tend to get cable trending. When it does turn, it turns quite big. So you had this, I've said this countless times in the last few months, but still, you've had this sort of trending scenario that lasts several weeks, actually. So we've had this happen again. We've had a couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks of downside move, and then we've got the turnaround. So if we start to now see a move above 52.40, which I see as the key resistance near term, that I think could that would complete arguably a small base pattern, which would give about 130 ticks of depth. So you project that higher up towards 53.70. So that's your sort of initial target area. But certainly 52.40 is an initial resistance, which is again that tested on Friday and this morning. Not really broken out yet. I'd want to see a close above 52.40 ideally. But then you're going to come up against the resistance at 52.90 area, and also then subsequently at 53.30. 53.30 being an old historic level, key level that was old support becomes new resistance. So a couple of levels there to work with to the upside, but certainly the outlook is improving. You've got the hourly MACD lines on this chart here, nicely positively configured. You had the RSI moving above 70. Again, that would suggest that the improving momentum. So you've got several indicators here. All the moving averages are now converged and turning higher. So you are looking on a much more improved outlook near term on cable, but whether it can continue to move higher, continue to post these higher lows, that 51.60 area is the initial support, which was a reaction low from early Friday. So that's a level to work with as well. So you'd want to keep that level. If you see that you see the cable falling below that, that would not be all that positive. There's obviously the key support coming in now at 51.05, but there is signs of a turnaround in cable, and it's just a matter of whether it can sustain this move following those negative UK PMIs. So I wish you good luck in your trading. Don't forget the US ISM non-manufacturing data this afternoon. Similar data, the service sector for the US, and yes, it'll be interesting to see how that will impact this chart. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later.